Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Aquarius, this is the reading for you for the month of May. The first card that I have for you guys is Ten of Pentacles. So for a lot of you, I do see financial gain that is going to happen in the month of May. There is something that is finally going to complete its cycle, especially when it comes to your finances. It could be, a fixed account that is maturing. Some you might be receiving some kind of dividend, but definitely I do see, some kind of closure coming in terms of finances. It could also mean you will finally get the job, or you will quit the job and finally start doing something new. But if you've made an investment in the past, there are chances of that investment yielding some kind of return. That's pretty sure. It This card is also telling me that many of you will also start saving for expanding your family in the future. So if you are from that group, married group, I do see it happening. You will finally start saving some money. The next card that I have for you guys is the Knight of Swords. And these things are going to happen very quickly, but you are going to give it a lot of research, a lot of thought. But you want this thing to happen very quickly, because you want to take advantage of the market situation at the moment. So if you are planning to invest, I do feel you are going to go with your gut feeling. You're going to pay a lot of attention to what is happening, and it is definitely going to work out for you. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Lovers card. When it comes to your career, it's telling me that you are going to end up doing something that you really want, that your soul desires. So you will not be left with a job or in a situation where you're like, oh my god, I didn't want to do this, why am I doing it? So I do see you reaching some kind of recognition, or taking the next level or advancing in your career. If you are without a job, the chances of you getting a job are very strong in the month of May. So you might hear back. You might not crack the interview, but you will at least hear back from all the places that you have been applying to. The next card that I have for you guys is the King of Pentacles. So again, you're planning for the future, and despite taking a very quick decisions, I do see you making good amount of money in the future. So if you have patience, because pentacles are all about planning for the future, pentacles don't think about the present time. So when you are planning for the future, make sure you keep patience, because a lot of people lose out on making profits or making gains because they don't have a lot of profits. So evaluate the situation well, more than evaluating the technical side of it. My suggestion would be to evaluate uh, the environmental or other external factors. The next card that I have for you guys is the Nine of Swords. So I think your experiences in the past, things you have gone through, the decisions you have taken in the past are finally going to tell you exactly which is the right way to go. When and at the bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Swords, which is telling me you're finally going to make a very good decision, and you're going to finally find that breakthrough. Now, for people who are unemployed, who are looking for a job, or people who are already in a job, um, I do not see a promotion. Like, the only promotion I see is here, but this is not even a promotion. I don't think your title is going to change. For very few, the title might change, but for most of you, I do see you're going to make a financial gain. It may not be something which is going to consist, like something you're going to consistently get over each month, but it will definitely be something that you are going to get in a lump sum amount this month. And moving forward, things are going to become more, like, they're going to go back to the same way. So you're not getting a consistent income like each month, but you're going to get something extra, that's for sure, in the month of May. Now, for people who are unemployed, you really need to network. So if you have been networking, you've been sending out your CVs, your resumes to a lot of people, the chances are you are going to find a breakthrough. When I say breakthrough, I mean a communication. Whether you get a job or not, I can't see it yet, but you are definitely going to get a communication, or at least a call for an interview. The next card I have for you is the Ten of Wands. See, you are going to take a lot of things on your plate, and that is going to give you exactly this reaction. You see how this girl is scared of all these wands following. It's just that you're managing more than you should manage. So make sure you don't take a bite bigger than the size of your mouth, so because you can't chew it. Make sure, you know, whatever you take up, you have complete ownership of all those things. um, yeah, I do feel you are going to be overworked. You know, definitely you have a lot of things coming towards you in terms of responsibilities, in terms of things that you have to do. The next card that I have for you guys is the Page of Wands, and I think with the magic that you have, you will be able to impress all the people around you, and people are actually going to believe. That is exactly why, you know, you have been given so many responsibilities. There is definitely, you know, some kind of progress or some kind of growth in your career that is happening. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Empress card. And remember, when I started, I did say, you know, some of you might start saving for the future because you are starting to plan, you know, your family. So for some of you, it does seem like this card was a warning not to take a lot of things at work because you might be getting pregnant very soon. I know it's a little unrelated, but this is also telling me, you know, there are chances of financial abundance. But then again, month of May, again, you know, this is also a very similar energy. So month of May is very, very important for you. Another important month would be the month of November this year. The next card I have for you is communication is the key. So communication is the key. Remember Ace of Swords when I said you are going to get a communication. So your third house has to be activated. How are you going to activate your third house? By writing. So do spend some time this month to write something. And I apologize, that is my dog. The next card I have for you guys is conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. So, you know, I definitely told you something is coming to an end, something is completing its cycle. So overall, it does seem like a really good reading moving forward for you guys. You have the Lovers card, you have the Empress card, you have the Ace of Swords. Definitely you are going to have a breakthrough. Cash is coming, abundance is coming, good things are happening, good things are coming your way. So do let me know if this reading resonates, and I will see you guys next time.